Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Trevor James here, and today we are going to be going to, like I said, we're going to be doing this haunted series. This place is just creepy. I understand that it's daytime, but we were going to go yesterday. We didn't bring our cameras though, but him and him pussied out, so we didn't do that. But now they said, oh, if we went during the daytime, maybe we'd change our mind. And yeah, so now we're going during the daytime. So this will be probably called Haunted Woods / Train Track Daytime. And then the next time we come here, it'll be in the nighttime. So just watch this if you guys want to feel what it's going to be like. And yeah, it's kind of creepy and stuff. And what's in the woods is kind of creepy. But yeah, otherwise, I'll just probably see you guys when we get there. Peace. Big train! Big train! There's a train going across the railroad right now. These are super ghetto apartments too, by the way. Alright guys, so we're here.
That he saw like a crazy person or something, and then he ran off, and then he ran off, and then Trevor ran off.
You know how long ago that was?
Yeah, I know.
I'm pretty sure some guy fapping in the woods. But there's the woods, and there's the railroad track. And we did come here yesterday, and there was like a rock that was thrown out of the woods or something.
Okay guys, so thank you guys. My thing is gonna die, so I'm probably gonna have to switch my phone. But yeah, I'm here with Trevor. And
Why do you record sideways?
Huh?
Why do you record sideways? Okay, but yeah, this is pretty fucking. It can get pretty fucking creepy. I'm telling you, this place is not creepy in the daytime. It's just not.
I don't know if it's like both died at the same time. Every might turn down.
Little bridge right here.
Pick up your bike when you're running across this.
Because I was fucking scared.
Why didn't you just ride it across?
You're dumb.
Wait. What?
Why the hell would I ride my bike across the bridge?
Because it yanked it.
My tire would get stuck in one of the things.
Turn.
This is the woods. We made it up to like right up here. And we stood here for a good like 10 minutes. Just because how scared we were. Because we couldn't tell where the rock was thrown from. We didn't know if it was up there or there. Or we don't even know if the rock was thrown, but it kind of did sound like one.
Where were we last time anyway?
Like right here.
Around here.
We were standing right here. And we were paranoid. We kept thought we seen people walking through here and stuff.
No, like right
And by the way, we were going clown hunting because, yeah. But yeah, we couldn't tell if it was thrown out of there or through over here. That's a deer.
This is where we were.
But
Right here. Because that's the gap that I saw the person on.
that's a deer.
Oh no. We'll keep trying though.
But it sounded something like it went through the trees, like that, and it landed over here.
Rocks down there. Oh, right there. So it was over here somewhere, and like it was like this.
Whoa, a squirrel.
And then it hit the rocks. Come on, come on.
But yeah. So guys, this is pretty much gonna be it walking all the way down here. But I'll get back to you guys when we're about to go in the woods. Woods right now. Here it is, and yeah.
Come on, Billy. This is really far down. We were like way back there last night.
I know. But yeah, it's
Higher right there.
where? Let's see it. Oh,
This tire.
it's right over there. You guys can't even see it. But can't you see how many leaves there are? There's no way anybody could like clear like. There's no way. You can't walk quietly in here.
What are these teepees you're talking about?
There's one right over there.
Is this a blanket?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys made this?
Yeah, I guess I made this. I come back here quite a bit. And yeah. So I decided just to make a little fort.
You moved those big ass things, or were they already here?
They're already here.
Oh.
Let's go look at the teepees. These teepees I did not make. And so, like, just imagine how scary this place would be at night.
This is a teepee?
Back here is... It's broken though. That was a teepee. Right there. That big chunk of sticks was a teepee. You can kind of see the form of it. And that's where we found tarp and that blanket.
Have you guys explored like everything?
Pretty much.
Frick you guys.
There's like a hunting post back there. So. And you see there's like houses right over there. This is private property, I'm pretty sure. Okay guys, so when we walked in, we walked more that way. Now we're gonna walk more down this way. And there's 2 teepees that we'll find. And yeah, the first one's just right up here. And you can see it right here. And now we think that they think that somebody lives in some of these teepees. I don't, but people do come back here. I don't know why they decided to build this. Like, I don't know who would have the time to build a teepee. But see somebody just sit in here. These are things I did not build. I don't even know how to build a teepee. But yeah. And the more and more down you go, there's more and more open space, as you can see. So anyway, sticks and shit. Huh? No.
Oh, don't do that.
We want it to be scary for when we come here at night. And actually, now that I think of it, I've never been here late. People come back, like, I don't think anybody comes back in these teepees, but now that I think of it, people could come back here at night. There's reasons why, yeah, I don't know, yeah. There's ghetto
There's one over there.
yeah, there's ghetto apartments over there too, so it's like, makes it like a little bit more scary. And the scary part is where I found the kid that ran, he was right over here. Yes, it was a kid in the woods, I think. It was right over near this teepee. So, yeah, it was like later. But this one's way well made. It has way more things. Like, look, it has tires, things to sit on, hose. It's like a campsite. And then here's their little teepee.
Oh, this one is burned.
This thing's burnt. That's kind of creepy. And there's a fire pit right around here. It was right here.
Water bottles too.
But there was a fire pit right
That's
here.
kind of a
I took-
Gatorade bottle look. So.
I took the I took some of the stones.
I need a thumbnail.
But which one's this one?
What flavor is that?
Fruit punch. That sounds really clever. Feels like
Flavors
Arctic
are
Blast.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lighter.
What? Where?
If that thing still works.
Oh, you're doing all this.
It's some feel.
I think it's empty.
I don't know. But that's pretty much the entire woods. And then the train track goes all the way down to this beach and stuff. But yeah, I do think this would be way better at night. I have went over there before. I've entered from over there before. So over there, it's got some weird shit. Like we found a car radio.
Really?
Yeah, and stuff like that. That was before. Yeah, me and we came in here a lot. But yeah, this place can definitely get very creepy. I have been in here when it was starting to get dark, and it was still bright out. Yet I couldn't see a single thing in here. So even if we have a camera, you guys might not be able to see, depending how good our light is. Just saying. And we probably won't be coming back in here until, if these guys do decide to come in here at night, it probably won't be until next weekend. So, yeah. But, anyways, guys, that was our first scary video. It wasn't very scary, but it has something to do with Halloween. Tomorrow I'll be trying to upload another scary video. I don't know what yet, but this place is, I wouldn't be surprised if this place is haunted. It's just fucking, it's that haunted feeling, you know. So I don't know, now you guys saw it during the day. If you guys really want to see it at night and see how creepy it looks, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below any more ideas you guys would want to see for the haunted Halloween videos and stuff. And yeah, so I'll see you guys probably tomorrow or maybe later today. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later.